In this video, we're going to find out if you can use mini hand sealer to seal that your product you packaged in pouch. This is vitalrichconcept, branding and packaging mentoring for SME. Get our mini rechargeable hand sealer that you can use with power bank. Get our stamping kit that will help you to brand your products, whether they are in rolls or singles. Get our 3 by 24 inches nylon roll, which are in packs. Get our 4 by 24 inches nylon roll. Get our 10 by 12 inches nylon roll. Yeah, this will help you to package products that are up to 2 kg. Get our heat gun sealer for packaging and for packing your product. Get our original impulse sealer, which are 100% durable and reliable. Get our industrial nylon, okay, which is good for packaging all manner of products. Then get our lined surface mini hand sealer and our smooth surface mini hand sealer. Finally, get our branding course to brand your product like a pro, to give you that unique branding without using any machine. Get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order. Okay, now this is non-industrial nylon. Don't forget to like this video, share it wide, follow me for more tips on packaging. We're going to try it now with mini hand sealer. It's a no, you don't use it non-industrial nylon with mini hand sealer. They don't go together, they only go with impulse sealer. But I'm going to show it to you now so that you can believe me. All right, so I seal. Wow, it burns it up. I seal again, it burns it up. I seal again, it burns it up. So if you have been planning to use non-industrial nylon with mini hand sealer, it's a no, don't even try it, don't bother. They don't go together, they don't work. You can only use impulse sealer with your non-industrial nylon roll, those ones we packaged in pack. Okay, all right, so right now I'm going to remove those nylon that are sticking to the surface of my mini hand sealers. Now I'm removing it so it will not affect the other sealings I want to make. Okay, now don't forget to like this video, share this video wide, tell us where you're watching us from so that we can give you a big shout out in our next video. Okay, all right. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now, I turned it off before cleaning. Now I've turned it on. Now let us try it in pouch and see whether we can use mini hand sealers with our pouch. Okay, now I sealed it. It seems it's working. Not that it seems it's working, it's working. But I know you cannot use mini hand sealer for all pouches. It depends on your pouch, the pouch you're using. So if your pouch accepts mini hand sealer, then you can use it to seal. Now I allowed it to rest very well. I give it some few seconds for each sealing so that I'll make sure that everything seals up together. There will not be any room for air to enter. Okay, all right. You can see it sealed up, it closed up, but the only thing is that the sealing was not very smooth, it was not very neat, but it sealed it up. But I'm going to give you a secret to that as we are going on. Okay, so let's try something. Let's cut a piece of paper and put it in between the sealer and the pouch. Let's see whether it will make the sealing to be neater. You can see the thing is open, it's not sealed, it's not sealed at all. So I close the zip lock or the lock. I close the lock, make sure the lock is properly closed, then place the paper in between the pouch and the mini hand sealer. Let's see what happens. So make sure you allow it to rest for like 2 or 3 seconds before you lift it, so that you ensure properly tight sealing. Okay, all right, I'm sealing it now. I'm sealing it, giving it a good sealing to ensure that there is no opening anywhere. Okay, don't forget to like our video, keep on following us. Thank you for all your subscription, thank you for your follow, thank you for everything, thank you for placing order from different parts of this world. We truly appreciate you all. Okay, now I've sealed it. Has sealed it, actually sealed. And you know what, this sealing is a little bit neater than the one we didn't place paper on. Okay, it's just a little bit neater. It's a little bit neater, but I'm going to show you the final secret. Okay, it's sealed very well. That thing you're looking at now is just the paper for labeling, the branding, but it's sealed properly, 100% well. Okay, So what is now the secret? How we're now going to make it to be very neat, the sealing to be very neat? Very easy, very simple. Now, but before we come to that, let us also place paper on non-industrial nylon to see if it's going to make the sealing better. Instead of burning it up, whether it's going to make the sealing better, I place the paper in between the non-industrial nylon and the mini hand sealer. Then I begin to seal. Remember, you give it few seconds. You don't just put and lift. No, allow it to stay like 1 or 2 seconds. Let's say 2 seconds before you lift it and go around. Seal it. You can see it just gummed the nylon with the paper. So he said no, you can never use mini sealer with those non-industrial nylon that comes in pack. You can't use it. You cannot. Okay, now let us do our super industrial nylon, which you know that they are like husband and wife. The mini hand sealers and our industrial nylon are like husband and wife. We initiated this. vitalrichconcept initiated sealing the industrial nylon with mini hand sealer, and all over the world hundreds of thousands of people have copied this idea and they are now using it. We call this sealing method Vital sealing method. All over the world people are using it now. Okay, so industrial nylon best works with mini hand sealers. Okay, now that I topped it up with the line surface sealer, you can see how it makes the product looks. It looks as if it was sealed and packaged with automated machine. Okay, give it up for vitalrichconcept. Now this one, now the secret of making the sealing neater is using lined surface sealer on your pouch. So don't just seal and leave it with the smooth surface sealer. No, you seal with the smooth surface sealer first, then you top it up with the lined surface sealer. That way the sealing will end up being very neat. I know you learned something, and I know you're happy. All of you that have been planning to use it with your pouch, use the pouch and mini hand sealer. You can see it's working, but it depends on your pouch. It won't work with all pouches. So if your pouch will accept it, then you use it. So you can try it on your pouch to see whether your pouch will work with it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and seal the non-industrial nylon roll with impulse sealer, because non-industrial nylon roll and impulse sealer, they are like husband and wife. They go together, and all such nylons like that, they go together. Okay, so don't forget to like our video, share, put your comment in the comment section, share this video wide, then like it, follow us, subscribe to my channel for more tips on your packaging. We are here to make sure your packaging business is moving forward. Packaging and branding business, wow, you can see the sealing, perfect sealing. In conclusion, industrial nylon goes with all sealing machine. Some pouches go with all sealing machine, but non-industrial nylon does not go with mini hand sealer. It only goes with impulse sealer. Thank you.